At NRTC Automation, your growth is our mission. We help manufacturers maneuver through the world of automation. We have locations along the East Coast and Midwest, as well as Canada, to serve our customers across North America. From decommissioning to service parts manufacturing to custom-built work cells, we have the solution you need to succeed. NRTC wants to partner with you, no matter what industry you're in. We work with top auto manufacturers like Toyota, BMW, and Mercedes, as well as small to mid-sized manufacturers in plastic, tire and rubber, aerospace and defense, and more. Alongside our sister company, iGAM, we provide everything you need to automate your facility. Grow your company with us. With over a decade of experience, our team of dedicated professionals work with you to help you meet your production goals. We hire the best the industry has to offer to get your operations where it needs to be. NRTC's qualified robotic technicians, engineers, project managers, and staff use their specialized skills to minimize downtime, extend equipment usable life, and increase production throughput for our customers.
Send us your industrial robots and equipment, and our expert technicians will clean, repair, and restore the equipment for you. We repair all major manufacturing brands, including KUKA, Fanuc, ABB, Siemens, Allen Bradley, and more. Extend the life of your equipment and improve your uptime by repairing with us, NRTC Automation.
I think a big benefit for us is that we start from beginning to end. We can start from a project with scratch with engineering services and to the building and integration of the lines to actually building the parts ourselves so you can have freed up floor space. Automation is the key to high throughput and capacity in your production line. We'll design, build, and engineer a custom work cell for your company for a smooth automation process. Plus, NRTC offers financing so manufacturers can automate on any budget.
We are your full-service automation solutions provider. If you're looking to optimize production and scale your business, you're in the right place. Schedule a free consultation with NRTC by visiting our website at nrtcautomation.com or call us at 888-990-7606 to get in touch with our team.